Max Q.
And some good callouts from SpaceX as this Falcon 9 rocket, the final orbital launch from Vandenberg this calendar year, is now well underway. Coming up on a series of a few events in fairly rapid succession. You may hear a call out for the Merlin vacuum chill down.
Vac chill started.
There you go. That's in preparation for the final of this trio of events that's coming up. We'll have first stage main engine cutoff at T+2 minutes and 26 seconds. That'll be followed a few seconds thereafter by stage separation. Then the aforementioned Merlin vacuum engine will ignite at about T+2 minutes and 36 seconds. After all of that, the payload fairings will be deployed just before the 3-minute